Today, I am reviewing HP 15.6-inch laptop 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and versatile laptop for work, school, or everyday use, the HP 15.6-inch laptop, Model 15 FC0099NR, is a great option to consider. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, which features 4 cores and 8 threads, and can boost up to 4.1 GHz. This ensures that whether you're multitasking with multiple apps, streaming movies, or even doing light creative work, the performance is smooth and responsive. Complementing the processor is 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is fast and energy efficient, along with a 128GB PCIe NVMe SSD that allows your programs and files to load almost instantly compared to a traditional hard drive. The laptop features a 15.6-inch HD touchscreen display with a resolution of 1366 by 768. While not full HD, this display is bright, anti-glare, and features micro-edge bezels that make the screen feel larger than it is, providing an immersive viewing experience. The touchscreen functionality allows for intuitive gestures such as pinch, tap, and swipe, making it great for students, creatives, or anyone who enjoys interactive navigation. The display also delivers a respectable 250 nits of brightness and 62.5% sRGB color coverage, which is sufficient for daily productivity and media consumption. For graphics, the HP 15 FC0099NR comes with integrated AMD Radeon graphics. This ensures that videos, casual games, and multimedia content run smoothly without noticeable lag. It's perfect for watching movies, streaming content, or doing light graphic tasks, though for heavy gaming or professional editing, a dedicated GPU would be preferable. One of the standout features of this laptop is its Windows 11 Home in S mode, which enhances security and protects you from malware and phishing attacks. For productivity, the laptop also includes one-touch access to Microsoft Copilot, allowing you to quickly get intelligent assistance and relevant answers for your projects, homework, or creative tasks. HP has also focused on privacy and communication features. The laptop comes with an HP True Vision HD camera and integrated dual-array microphones, along with a physical camera shutter and a dedicated microphone mute button. This ensures that your video calls are clear while keeping your privacy intact when the camera or microphone isn't in use. Connectivity is excellent for a laptop in this range. It features Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring faster, more stable wireless connections, along with multiple ports, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and a headphone/microphone combo. This provides plenty of flexibility for connecting your peripherals, external monitors, or other devices. In terms of design, the HP 15 FC0099NR has a sleek natural silver finish with a textured base and matte keyboard frame. It's lightweight at just 3.5 pounds, making it easy to carry around for work, school, or travel. The battery life is impressive, giving up to 12 hours on a single charge, and it supports HP Fast Charge, which can recharge up to 50% in just 45 minutes. HP has also considered sustainability, using ocean-bound plastic in the speaker enclosures and post-consumer recycled plastic in the keyboard keycaps. This makes the laptop eco-friendly without compromising quality or performance. Overall, the HP 15.6-inch laptop 15 FC0099NR is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a lightweight, reliable, and feature-rich laptop for everyday computing. It balances performance, design, and portability while providing useful security and productivity features. Whether you're a student, professional, or casual user, this HP laptop offers great value, solid performance, and modern features to get your work done efficiently and enjoy multimedia content effortlessly.